by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for reasons. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Strangers, believe me when I say loving me is like
I've been climbing up this ladder, yes I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day I might retire.
Eyes wide, tongue tied, midnight. You can say all that you want, but you and I were meant for this. You know sometimes we hide behind this illusion that we're done. Oh, I don't fall in love cause I'm here tonight. I don't wanna say it but it just feels right. I took a pill just to pass the time. I wanna stay at the back of your mind. We're changing over, and don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let it go. It's not too late. Just don't lose your faith this time. I still feel like you lied about the way that you can't love. We should have never let this go. No, we were the catch on the summer nights, kids in the street that got it right. Every time
I was to shake the ground, you feel it moving. We
shoppers, better took those risks. Cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never ties, look in my eyes, I'm on the rise. But I'm up now, we all too late to fall. Yeah, anyone coming, I'ma lift them all. Never look down when there's risk involved. I got guts, got a lot, I gotta wish it off. Ain't got no feelings, we just floating. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.